If your swing feels different from hole to hole and you cannot figure out why, your body is the answer, not your technique. I work with golfers over 50 for the last 18, 20 years in the clinic and on the course. And the ones who fix and reset their bodies, they're the ones that stop fighting their swing and actually start playing with a reliable one. Now, listen, today I'm going to show you three specific body patterns out of the six that are quietly destroying your swing consistency and exactly what to do about each one of those. And the details will be in the description below. So let's begin. Pattern one, we call it the cold start brace. Do you feel and know that your first swing of the day is going to feel jerky, it's going to feel tight, it's just going to be off? And then you usually blame the swing. Well, the truth is that your deep stabilizer muscles shut down after 30 to 60 minutes of sitting. That means when you have breakfast, when you drove to the club, when you rode the cart. So by the time tea time comes, those muscles are supposed to be bracing your spine. They're actually essentially offline. Now, you're probably asking, how the heck do I get them back online? How do I get them out of that sleep mode? Well, simply, but it's not an easy way, with a 4 minute dynamic bracing activation before you touch a club. Now, I'm not talking about stretching, I'm talking about activating, gradually awakening those muscles versus a rude swing off the first tee. My client often refer to like waking up my core. So that's pattern one. If you want that, look at the description below. Pattern number two is the rotational deficit all around. This one shows when you feel the loss of that back swing, that death, you do that equity extension, or more usually, you have an inexplicable, inconsistent shot. The truth about it is that when your spine compresses, it gets squashed, it's really hard to turn, to rotate anything. And that makes your swing arc hard to stay on plane. So even though if it feels like you're on a rescue mission, you are in this problem of the pattern. So the solution for that is to restore rotation all around from your ankles, your hips, your shoulders, and even your neck. So now here's an interesting statistic according to Golf Digest. 67% of the golfers over 60, they lack 10 or more degrees of internal hip rotation, especially if you tend to have weak glute muscles. Now, if any of these two patterns so far are clicking with you, I put in the description below the step-by-step on how to go with the solution for each of those patterns in the description below. So go ahead and feel free to go do that. Now, it's part of the Reliable Golfer program, which is a 12-week program, and we're just going to take you to be a smooth and reliable golfer. Okay, enough said. Now, pattern number three, the last one, is called the protective swing guard. Simply put, it is the protective guard in your body subconsciously limits you from your follow through. So just imagine for a minute, you injure your back lifting one of those huge flower pots years ago. And now you and your wife are at Lowe's and she wants to get one of the fancy ones, the newer one for the backyard or the front yard. So what is your main concern? Is it the way that the pot looks or thinking, how the heck are you going to get it on the car and to the house? You see, one bad flare changes your entire nervous system from subconscious level and you become making an assessment of the threat. That's the way, in the similar fashion, your body's protecting and shortening your swing subconsciously. So how do we fix this? It's super easy. We need to take a progressive loading approach. Not taking more lessons. It's not adding new clubs or changing the loft. It's progressive loading. This will restore not only your confidence while bringing back your power in your swing, but it will restore the technique that you already have within you. So just to recap, the three patterns that are silently killing your inconsistent while getting more frustrated. Number one is that cold start bracing failure. Everybody's asleep, your stabilizer muscles at the first tee. The number two is that rotational deficit all around. Your spine is doing the work that your hips should be doing. And the number three is that protective swing guard. Your nervous system is working in the background, holding you back from the impact to follow through, messing up your entire game. Now, none of these are the fix by a swing lessons. These are fixed by addressing your body first. Again, I want to encourage you to go to the description box and look at the specific video for each of the patterns so you can actually take advantage of it and get your body ready. Now, if you already know that your body's holding you back, why don't you get on the assessment call with me? The link is in the first comment below. So let's figure out exactly what's going on with your body and your swing before it's too late. I'll see you in the next one.